Hello friends, I am back again with another session for ISC Chemistry Board Examination information, and this time this information is being shared by Chemistry Tute for the practical examination, for which the council has already declared the dates, and your dates for the practical examination for various subjects for the project evaluation for SCPW assessment examination is starting from 25th October 2021 to 28th February 2022. In between, as per the various places in the country, wherever the pandemic conditions are under control, the head of the schools can come in contact with their visiting examiners who have been allotted by the council. They can be in touch, the dates can be decided, and the examination needs to be conducted. The council has already instructed the schools that when the children are coming for the examination, your COVID guidelines need to be maintained. Every student who has to be there in the lab, 6 feet distance needs to be maintained between the two students. That is why the council has said that we can have n number of batches so that we can maintain the COVID guidelines, and keeping the safety of the child in mind, the practical examination can also be conducted smoothly. So children, please be in touch. You must be aware that your project work, the soft copy or the hard copy for the same can be submitted to the boards. So just see that your work is complete and be in touch with your schools for the dates for the practical examination, because now every school will have their own dates all over the country. They will have their own papers which will be set by the visiting examiner. Please be in touch with your school and stay tuned with Chemistry Tute, because very soon I will be uploading the videos on the practical chemistry component. So stay safe and be alert. Very less time is left. The countdown begins. Thank you.